How to unblur a picture on Capcut. It's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Capcut. Once you're in your home page, tap on New Project at the very top of the screen. It will open up your gallery. From the gallery, select any of the photo that you want to unblur. Once you've selected, tap on Add. Once the photo is uploaded here, now what you want to do is click on the photo and then swipe left at the bottom of the menu. You'll see the option of Adjust. Click on it. So in this page, what you want to do is, first of all, increase the contrast. It will make your picture more visible. After that, what you want to do is, increase the sharpness. Click on Sharpen right here. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is, you have to increase clarity. After that, you will be able to see the difference. The picture will be more visible than before. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video is helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.